Hello, this is a demo of a multiplayer third-person shooter that I'm working on. I'll put the server into LAN mode and press play. This level is from the multiplayer shootout asset. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this level or not, but I'm using it for testing. Put the client into LAN mode and find games. I'll join the server. Now in this game I removed the guns because I wanted to make it as simple as I could. And the projectile just comes out from the player. I'll show what it looks like when you kill the other player. That's what it looks like when you kill the other player. And that's all it does for now. I'm going to add more to it later.